Hello, I've got here for you a Bürstner Lineal 6-meter Ford base camper van, which has been designed for use by people who use a wheelchair. So I'll take you inside and show you. There is a ramp to go in. We haven't got it here at the moment to demonstrate, but we've got two choices. One could be a normal sort of ramp, which you pull out from under this into here, and the second one is an electric ramp. Something like this, you're looking at around 101,000 euros for the conversion. Of course, conversions are made largely to order, so you'll get what you actually ask for. Right, so front seats here, as you'd expect. The kitchen block has been lowered. We've got 2 burners and a sink, as you'd expect. Small fridge there. Here in the toilet, it's a Clesana one, but the toilet it's built to order, so you can have a Thetford or a Dometic or whatever. Notice this huge amount of space here. So for the shower curtain will go around there. Person who is needing to maybe needs to use the toilet, then there is the support there. Also, for getting into bed, there are supports there, so you can actually grab a hold of these things and pull yourself in. I've left it up like this for the moment, just so you can see how much space can be created in this 6-meter van. It's got 199 centimeters of standing height inside as well. So there's a look around. I have done a more detailed video as well, which will give you more information. And of course, as always, there is information below. Now let's have a look around the outside. Note here, we've got the flare, which will give extra space in the bed. The vehicle here is 206 centimeters outer width, so this gives a little bit extra. I think the bed's about 192, something like that. I can't quite remember how wide the bed is, but anyway, it's a 2-person van. And we've got another flare on this side. Now here we've got the toilet hatch, and that's a Clesana, which doesn't take a cassette, but if it were a Dometic or a Thetford, then you would need the hatch. We've got the boiler there, and the boiler exhaust, I should say, and the electric plug for your when you're on a campsite or charging the battery. Right, so I've tried to do that in under 3 minutes. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.